He's me! So what do you want from him? More pay! More lunch! More money! We want justice! 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 Justice!
I want justice!
We want justice.
I want justice for everybody in Christmas. I want Scrooge to take a hike.
Justice.
Justice! Justice! Justice!
Three steps back.
Back to you, Chloe.